Which of the following is a human rights violation? So is it A, denying access to public education based on ethnicity? Is it letter B, providing scholarship to deserving students? Is it letter C, conducting fair elections? Okay, is it letter D, promoting gender equality? Ayan. Tapos punta naman tayo sa pinakamahirap, mga medyo mahirap naman na question under peace and human rights. Ayun, may nagsagot na. The answer is indeed denying access to public education based on ethnicity. And even if it is not based on anything, because yung tinatawag nating EFA, alam niyo EFA? EFA. Okay. So, education for all. Now, hindi pwedeng tumanggi ang public school institution sa sino mang gustong mag-aral. Ano po? So, isa yun sa sa mga mga mandato sa Department of Education. So, education for all. Hindi niya pwedeng ano, tanggihan ang nag-enroll sa kanilang school. Kapag ginawa nila yon, human rights violation yun.